I want to promote CPA grips on PlugRush, CPA grip offers on PlugRush. What do you advise for the campaign setup? Okay. So to promote the CPA grip offers, it's the same as any offer out there. Like, is it Crackrevenue, is it Maxbounty? It doesn't matter. Whatever the offer is out there, it can be on whatever network. So CPA grip's great. Okay. So you find a really good offer on CPA grip. Some offers on CPA grip can be bad, so you got to pick a good one. Then on PlugRush, you just got to start testing and make sure you're doing actual countries that are good, and figure out, is it mobile traffic or desktop traffic that's working for your offer the best. One day you should just test with mobile. Next day you should test with desktop. Whichever one was more profitable, do that. Okay, double down. What I like to say for myself is, for lead generation offers, mobile works best, and desktop can work really good with that. But for pay per sale offers, desktop works the best, and mobile has lesser conversion rates because it's on a mobile phone. People could be out doing their whatever they're doing all day. Okay.